we go.
Let's go, Asia!
Authentic, superior, ultimate, and all that good shit. I'm the original Asiatic, acrobatic, there you have it. Now get dramatic, creating drama when I'm on the scene. And I pack 'em in mean, like Bruce Springsteen. I provide a style that's mild and meanwhile. Put on trial, a rap pile to exile. Make it tumble and stumble, and a rumble just crumble. And I'm still calm and humble. You need another helping hand to swing on. I stand alone, but still you gotta bring on your Batman and Robin, Cagney and Lacey. Starsky and Hutch, but they still can't face me. And if I may make this one thing here clear, that's for you not to come near, period. For I ain't bugging or delirious. My swift tongue's like a sword, that's how severe it is. And I can slice and dice a Fisher Price MC that thought he was nice into minute rice. Single-handed, I ain't with that band stuff. Cause see, I scratch a record like flakes of dandruff. And the mic I ravage, not like a savage, but in my own way of doing damage. As I design a genuine line. Now who flat top rules in 89? Warm it up, King. 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 Warm it up, King.
Allez, allez, allez. Just a roadman in the wild. This little roadman.
Can't stop the bum rush.
Okay, let's begin.
Who's the happy bunny?
Compound,
I really like
substance
European.
composed of two or more elements chemically combined in definite proportions by weight. Mixture, two or more substances that are not chemically united, such as air. Solution,
really
a uniform mixture of varying proportions of a solvent and a solute.
For many of our students, this is the lesson you've been waiting for. Lesson check.
Left channel. Right channel.
Hydrogen, H, +1. Sodium, Na, +1. Magnesium, Mg, +2. Aluminum, Al, +3. Potassium, K, +1. Calcium, Ca, +2. Chromium, Cr, +2, 3, 6.
Any physical difficulty with a record or a turntable is taken care of.
Do you think that Led Zeppelin and Frank Sinatra would go together? Edit. No. Combinations of music.
Were you trying to get crazy with this thing? Don't you know I'm loco?
Obsolete is the punk that talk more junk than Sarah sales. I jet propel at a rate to complicate the mental state as I invade the masquerade. They couldn't fade with the clipper blade.
How you feeling, Zach?
Gut.
Sehr gut.
Sehr gut.
Oh, wunderbar.
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 10 years in the trade is not enough, you can't cut it. I let you take a swing and you butt it for an easy out. I leave MCs with doubt of exceeding. My name is Booty Brown and I'm proceeding. Leading, they try to follow but they shallow and hollow. I can see right through them like an empty 40 bottle of OE. They have no key or no clue to the game at all. Now they washed up, hung out to dry. Standing looking stupid, wondering why. Why, man? It was the fame that they tried to get. Now they walking around talking about represent and keep it real. But I got to appeal, cause they existed in the fantasy when holding it still. rockabye, baby. Listen to your heartbeat pumping to a fine ravine of all things, it's the vein of a shrine. On missions impossible or possible, cause I'm headed for a new sector 365. Days from now, I'll wipe the sweat from my eye, and each and every tree will stick or fall from the skies of my cloud nine. From homies all the way to six, no matter how fine. Controlling it's a swollen way to wreck a proud mind. You hold it in your hands and watch a man start crying. Tear after tear in the puppet man's hands. Every time you take a stance, you do the puppet man's dance, and the world's at a standstill. Deep in broken man's bill, trapped in the moat with an anvil still. Killing yourself and dogging your health. You ain't amphibious, so grab a hold of yourself.
But through my will, my flow still will spill. Toxic, slick to shock, sick like electrocute. When I execute acutely over the rhythm on those that pollute, extra dosages is what I gotta give them. Got them mad and trembling, cause I've been up in my lab assembling missiles.
For real? Oh, you ain't back.
To bomb the enemy, because they envy me in the making of my mad currency. Currently I think we're in a state of an emergency, cause niggas done sold they souls and now they souls is hollow. And I think they can't follow, they can't swallow the truth because it hurts. This is how I put it down, this is my earth, my turf. The worth of my birth is $1 billion, and you know what time it is, I'm gonna make $1 million. Yeah, you know what time is it? Yeah, you know what time is it? Yeah, you know what time is it? Yeah, you know what time.
Got 6. Do you know why everyone's coming here?
Why?
It's duty free.
Yeah.
There's a little bench over there.
What you gonna do?
We're gonna munch and have a cannabis lolly.
Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all.
You're on point 5.
Once again, Tip.
You're on point 5.
Once again, Tip.
You're on point 5.
Once again, Tip. Watch me bust they shit.
Okay.
Action peoples cannot dominate. My rhymes are harder than last night's erection. Don't blame it close, I have this mic up in your midsection. My shit is love, simply meaning that my joint is tight. Amping up the mic, making sure production's tight. Sometimes I might catch a severe case of writer's block, but by the end of the day, you'll be on my jock. Real name's Malik, my hobby's putting MCs to the test. And if you front, I'll put my foot up in your friggin' chest. Freestyle fanatic, and never will it ever stop. Your crew is his, you might just wanna call the
Hey
cop.
yo, I gotta put some action on paper. Make sure my verse jump up and spread out like the raper. The only tip I got for a waiter is watch the doorknob hit me where the dirty dog should have bit me. That was my train of thought, but for so long I fought. Now I'm at a level supreme to the devil. So turn up the bass and lay low on the treble. We be the willing kids and you dead with the shovel. Revitalize, revive the tribe, nigga. The ladies sweat the style like the squirrel sweat the nuts. You know what fella's good for the moolah. Don't smoke no rulers, be the big police. For 25 joints. Sometimes Shaitan got me by the pressure points, but I could break a fella down like sex. You eat weed checks, but still light in the ass and can't flex. If one nigga front, I'ma make more pay. Cause tonight, we getting off like OJ. And yo, I got a dog that bites, fuck the barking. Yo, I got a crew with the beats and the smarts in.
I float my shit up on Linden in the 192. Forever writing, ever biting, ain't shit else to do. Hoping to battle, but most MCs ain't ready yet. But if they utter one word, then this is good as set. You have MCs dropping bombs, that's incredible. Some other brothers, their styles are just despicable. As for me, see, I just do how I love to do. Try to deny me of my props and I'll be seeing you. Most of you suckers wanna be down for the tag along. The friggin' fame, someone tell them that this shit ain't games. You got to do this from your heart, meaning your inner soul. And if it's real, only then will you be on a roll. I try to stay on top of my game, there ain't no time to lose. For albums, deep as a quester, but still we paying dues. So hear me out one time.
bass. You know what I'm saying?
Quaking, body shaking, up attacking, brains are racking, talking, chuck rocking, flavor, that's shaving. 2, 3, 4.
Here's another record, check it, mad methods to put my brothers and sisters on a deathbed. You know he cheated, took what he wanted, and now you bought it. Sucking up to the devil, stepping down.
100K.
Fear is you who protects us from us and you from you. Yes, and it counts. The 40 ounce, I sued those bastards, yeah, they got bounced. I did them like a demo, threw them out the window. I took a 98 cause I never liked the limo. But pump it up. A man grinds so mad times, that's what's up. Some ain't gonna change, I got them in the range. I gotta rearrange, so I'm building back your brain. Records with focus stuff. Am I loud enough? You got to give it up. Give it up, give it up, give it up, yo. Give it up, gotta give it up. Give it up, give it up, give it up, yeah. Give it up, you got to give it up now. Give it up, give it up, give it up, yo. Give it up, gotta give it up. Give it up, give it up, give it up now. Give it up, gotta give it up. Come again with the same old bounce. I'm going to foul and once again it counts. Mad tits, brothers know. The blood's in the back, got the black behind it, that's whack. And once again it's on. And Jimmy Crack, Carl Cracker singing, I don't care, it's on. I'm coming with a rhyme, I'm letting go of rhymes. I navigate a rhyme through the rough and crazy times. Call me a Hannibal lecture, yes I checked it. I don't hear my no, so here it go. I'm sick and tired, so sly and take you higher. But I'm taking the sound to bring it down. Rappers ripping a lyrical, kicking, finger licking. But to the rhythm I'm giving, but never cotton picking. Like James Brown, I'm saying it loud. Am I loud enough? You got to give it up.
Some ain't gonna change, some ain't gonna change, some ain't gonna never ever change.
Louder.
Some ain't gonna change, some ain't gonna change, some ain't gonna never ever change. Give it up, give it up, give it up, yo. Give it up, gotta give it up. Give it up, give it up, give it up now. Give it up, gotta give it up.
And when I'm coming, some numb, dumb, and full of some second guessing my lessons about saving young. Some don't know like run since, so here we go. Where it is inside, who there it is. There it is.
Yeah, it is, damn right. My man X is a bad mother. I'm talking about Terminator, he's the
There
man.
it is. Can you hit me off with another one?
Give it up, give it up, give it up, yo. Give it up, gotta give it up. Give it up, give it up, give it up now. Give it up, gotta give it up. Give it up, give it up, give it up, yo. Give it up, gotta give it up. Give it up, give it up, give it up now. Give it up,
I never did represent to a dump. No gangster line, I'd rather just presidents. Dead or alive, bring them and I'll swing them. I vocalize, I just rap, I don't sing them. Flick them and I fling them. You can go ring them. Hold a thing with the game for the points. I daydream them. Don't grab my mouth. Close but no cigar. I got mine for amusing my rhyme. The flow go wherever I want. And that's clever. Give a piece of my time to prevent some crime. And who's behind putting a gun in the young one? The one
All the way to Istanbul, buddy. Come on, 400 miles.
They really wanted to stroke another dog. It's so sad.
Give me all the street dogs.
One, two, three, four.
I love the way it flows, I love the way it grows. There's something in this sound that takes me far. It's like a special song, can move my mood along. What I cannot say you'll hear through my guitar. She told me at the bass line, and everything will be alright. She told me that the groove is mine, it will take us through the night. And where I'll go, can't explain, I'll never know. But it's beautiful, you can't take this away from me. The way I hear the melody, the way it's bringing clarity, running through joy that it brings. Remember skating down the road towards the park. I could never say no. You with that summer glow. The music gives me sun when winter starts. She told me at the baseline that everything will be alright. She told me that the beat is mine. It will rock us through the night. And where I go, can't explain, I'll never know. But it's beautiful.
I got 99 miles to go. I got 99 miles to go.
99?
Can't take this away from me. Oh, the way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity running through me. You can't take this away from me. Oh, the way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity running through me. Hey, you can't take this away from me. The way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity running through me. Come on, y'all. You can't take this away from me. I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity running through me.
Yeah, it's running through me. Yo, I wear notes like coats, blues like dudes. Warmth in the rhythm, soul that glues, that bounce to my bones, jazz in my spine. The hop is my home, rap is my grind. I'm grinding on the backside of life, we dance. She threw me a chance, her hands in my pants. Actually, my pockets holding me tight. Whispering a dream I could hold in the night. Blood tight, a rhythm that's throbbing my vein. Wake up to write it on the pad, the pains. Like church, the organ will invite the tears. Like birth, the crying let you know I'm here. Held by the song that gave me a name. Dressed by the verse that gave me a claim. It's just bass in the line, safe to inhale. And if you live well, belong your years in the stay you will be. A timeless octave to play for the tree. It's rooted in every single nerve and beat.
It's from your woman.
Oh, what a woman.
I was like, wow.
And it pours you a breeze. Beneath the clouds you allowed to see. In clarity, through harmony. Someone harming me, that won't be done. I stand protected by the laws of fun. I am perfected through the rhymes of run. Walk it this way and leave the party stunned. This music can launch me with no aim. I've landed on some plane. Where I am, I can't explain or never know, but it's beautiful. So
you can't take this away from me. Oh, the way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity running through me.
Come on, y'all.
You can't take this away from me. Oh, the way I hear the melody, the waves bring clarity running through me.